everyone, it's Noelle at the Pittston Library, and today I'm going to cover for you two legal websites. I was thinking a lot about some of the reference questions that we often get at the front desk, and every once in a while we do get a few for people who are looking for just some legal resources. So I thought that since we weren't in the physical library today, I would show you some of those online resources that you can access. So we're going to cover two today, though there are more out there. These two are called FindLaw and Justia. They come recommended by reference librarians, so yeah, they offer some really good information, and we'll just see how we can get you started. Okay, so the website is going to be FindLaw.com for this first one. And what I really like about both of these is that they offer a lot of the dialogue in layperson's terms. So it's really great for people who are not that familiar with law terminology, but just as well, they can be really helpful to people who are. So FindLaw.com offers you a lot of different things. You can find a lawyer here. If the lawyer is registered through here, not necessarily is everyone doing that, but a lot of them are. So if you're looking for legal representation, this is a good place to kind of get started. And you can do that by keying in your zip code or your legal issue. So FindLaw is staying on top of the coronavirus issues that are plaguing the world, so you can get a lot of answers and updates there. And they sort of break down everything down here for you in terms of what kind of law you could be looking for. So you can certainly find lots of different things down here about a specific issue, which is really great. And they'll have something for everyone or for any topic, I'm sure. But let's go to the top here, and we're going to go to learn about the law. And they kind of give a basic intro to, you know, what the website is and everything over here. So over here is just some of the general topics that everyone is often asking about. So you could go over here to employment law if you're interested in that sort of thing. So this kind of covers all the different areas of working. So this is a good place for you to access OSHA, which would be like your safety in the workplace laws and everything. And I really like this again because they're breaking down everything where it's more simplified, and you're not combing through a textbook to try to figure everything out yourself. So yeah, a lot of different things here. You could look at the state laws. So they're going to cover all kinds of different topics. Over here, child custody, gun control, lemon laws. There's something here that covers everything. So that's a really great place for you to start if you're looking just for some information. And another great one, as I mentioned before, is Justia. So just like FindLaw.com, Justia is covering the coronavirus. So that's right there at the top of the page. You can get all kinds of information right from here that's up to date and current. We'll click that. There's that overview. It's talking about price gouging, all kinds of things, and updated, relatively recent. So if you scroll even more down to the bottom, there's going to be more related websites there. Okay, but say you're looking for something more concentrated. Down at the bottom here, you can find legal representation from lawyers that cover a variety of specific issues here. Again, not everyone is necessarily listed, but that can help get you started. You can also go to different topics like individual law, business law, something for law students. So maybe you want to worry about estate planning. So this is going to cover just the whole avenue of what that entails. So preparing a will, creating trusts, all that good stuff, along with frequently asked questions. And just something to get you started thinking about things. On some of these websites, you can also get documentation if you're looking to get started. They do charge, so that's to your discretion on whether you want to go through with that. There might be some less expensive avenues for you to try, but it's a good opportunity to start thinking about things like living wills and all that. Nobody really wants to talk about it, but hey, these are the times and we've got the time, it would seem. So this is just a good opportunity to think about a lot of those things that fell on the back burner and, you know, all of that. But if you should also find yourself looking to get a question answered, this is also a great place for you to do that. There is a section where you can ask a lawyer. And you could type in your question right over here, and those that are registered on the page can answer your questions for you in the best to their ability, and then most likely after that advise you on, you know, what road you should take as far as getting representation and that sort of thing. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you know, you can see that other people have asked different kinds of questions, and then, you know, how these different lawyers have answered generally or otherwise. So I think for somebody who is looking just to get their feet wet, try to figure some things out, learn about the law, these are both really great options for you to consider. So I know I only gave a little glaze over of what all these websites entail, but I just wanted you to see that there is a lot to be offered on both of these. So I will post the links with the video for anybody who wants to look at them. And we hope this was helpful to you. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.